The latest developments on the state's education savings account program. The Nevada Supreme Court now ordering the program be suspended. The controversial program allowed parents to spend their money from the state on things like private school tuition. Now the ruling says the program was illegally drawing money from public schools. No funds were ever dispersed to families. Well, 13 Action News political analyst John RALSTON joins us now in studio with how this decision actually is affecting families. John.
Well, Trish, it's a big story, but it's one of those stories where the headline does not match what happened. Yes, as you said, the court says education savings accounts have no funding source, so they take money away from the money the legislature approved for public education. But the court threw out the notion that school choice law violates the separation of church and state because the money is never given directly to religious schools, goes to parents. So even though the law is not constitutional, the fix is pretty simple, although it may be expensive. Legislature would have to set up a separate funding source for the ESAs and then put money in there, a lot of money, at least $30 million to cover the families that have already applied. They could do it all in a special session, and there may be one for the stadium in October, but the governor just put out a statement a short time ago indicating he probably won't do that.
Thank you, John.